Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have an exciting chicken dinner recipe for you, and I'll be making my chicken lettuce wraps with a sesame and peanut dipping sauce. These are just bursting with so much incredible flavor. I made these a few weeks ago and my husband and my sister insisted that I must share this recipe on YouTube. So today I'm going to get started with the chicken filling first. I have some diced chicken thigh, and then we're going to add loads of incredible veggies like mushrooms and carrots and bell peppers. And we're going to bring it all together with the sesame and peanut sauce, which is so delicious. Let's get started and I'll show you just how easy and incredible this recipe is to make. I'm going to kick things off with my chicken first. I'm preheating a large frying pan over medium-high heat. I'm going to add a little drizzle of some cooking oil in there as well. And I've already prepared my chicken thighs, so I have 1 pound, it's about 4 to 5 chicken thighs, and I've diced them into pea-sized pieces. Now, a lot of chicken lettuce wraps call for ground meat. I really like to use diced meat instead. It's like a texture and a flavor thing for me, and I love the diced chicken in my lettuce wraps. All right, so once this is nice and hot, we're gonna add that chicken right in. And I'm going to cook my diced chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes until it's completely cooked through and it's nicely brown. I'm also going to season the chicken with a little bit of salt. Sprinkle that over the top. And once my chicken is done cooking, I'm going to transfer it into a large bowl. I'm just going to set that aside and free up the frying pan for our next ingredients. And into the same frying pan, I added a little bit extra oil, and now I'm going to add in my mushrooms. I've diced about 8 small mushrooms, and I'm just going to let these brown. So I'm going to cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're nicely browned all over. And these mushrooms are coming along nicely. They're just about done. And I'm going to transfer my finished mushrooms out of the pan and add them to the chicken. And for my next ingredients, I have 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 large diced sweet onion, and 2 large grated carrots. Toss this all together, and we're going to fry this for about 5 to 6 minutes until the onion is translucent and the peppers are soft. And I'm going to add my bell pepper, onion, and carrot mixture to the bowl as well. And while my fillings are frying away, it's the perfect time to prepare our sesame and peanut dipping sauce. So in a measuring cup here, I have half a cup of soy sauce. To that, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of my favorite peanut sauce. It's going to add so much great flavor. If you don't have peanut sauce, you could just use peanut butter. And this is the brand that I'm using today. This is my favorite brand. I use it for a lot of my recipes. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, about 6 pressed garlic cloves, about a teaspoon of ginger puree, or you can also use grated ginger, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. And last, 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to grab a whisk and mix this all together, and that's it. So we're going to use this sauce for seasoning the filling and as a dipping sauce. And now let's bring it all together. So I'm going to return all my filling ingredients back into the pan. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of diced water chestnuts. These were canned, I just drained off the liquids. We're gonna add them right in. 1 cup of diced bamboo shoots. These were also canned, just drain the water. I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of chopped cashews, and the rest I'm going to reserve as a topping. And a couple tablespoons of fresh cilantro. And to dress this, I'm going to add in half of the prepared sauce, and the other half we'll save for dipping. And then just toss all of this together. I have my chicken filling all ready. My dipping sauce is ready to go. This filling looks so incredibly delicious. It's so aromatic. I love the pops of color in there from the bell pepper and the carrots. It's going to be so incredible with the dipping sauce. And now for serving the chicken lettuce wraps, what I like to do is buy 2 small heads of lettuce, because not every single leaf is big enough, or some of them are just kind of falling apart, so you have like holes in there. So you want a nice medium-sized leaf of lettuce so that you could put a couple tablespoons of filling on the inside and then gently kind of wrap it up and then dip it into the sauce. So let's put these together. And I found this amazing plate at Home Goods that it's going to be perfect for this dish. I'm going to add a nice generous amount of this chicken filling on top of each lettuce leaf. And then for serving, you'll want to garnish each lettuce cup with a little bit of chopped cashews and some cilantro. And these are ready to be enjoyed. And that's it, guys, for my easy chicken lettuce wraps. For the full recipe, don't forget to head on down in that video description box. I've left a link there that'll take you over to my website so you can print this recipe off and share it with your family and friends. And now time to dig in and enjoy. And this looks so good. It just smells so aromatic. I'm gonna grab one of these stuffed leaves. And what I like to do is just kind of gently seal all that filling on the inside so it doesn't go anywhere. And then we're gonna grab our little dipping sauce, dip that in just a little bit, and enjoy. Just wow, these chicken lettuce wraps are hands down the best I have ever tried. So much better than any takeout or restaurant dish. That filling is just so refreshing and crunchy, so much incredible flavor going on here. You have the juicy chicken, and then you have that crunchy chestnuts, the sweet bell peppers, all that combined together, and then that dipping sauce is something else altogether. It's just so incredibly delicious, savory. You have a little bit of the kick from the ginger and the garlic, and I love that that peanut sauce is just very mild. You just get a little bit of hint of that peanut at the end. These are just so ridiculously delicious. If you're looking for a new and delicious chicken dinner recipe, this is one to try. I guarantee it, you guys are going to love it. Don't forget to head on down in that video description box for the full link. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.